sometimes that is where you are closer to God. So sometimes, Angi nakho, uJehova wadinga ukuthi angisuse lapha, angise lapha, bese yangipruna, bese yangipruna, bese yangipruna, bese yangigurufa, akhiphe pride, akhiphe ukuzazi, akhiphe ukuphakama, akhiphe ukucabanga ukuthi ngihlakaniphile, akhiphe imali, akhiphe ukucabanga ukuthi I've got it all covered. Oh, let me tell you, if you don't know my story, you will not understand.